What's up, everyone? Welcome back. My name's James. Today, I'm sure you already saw the description, so I'm gonna do an unboxing of these beautiful shoes right here. I just got them in. I haven't even had them for longer than 24 hours. You can tell that they're still sealed. I'm really excited for these. A few weeks back, I was telling you that I was saving for a few different things. This is one of the things. I saw these during fall winter release, and I've been asking every single day. Chicago doesn't have a male store yet, so they don't have them at the Chicago store, but they're getting one in a couple weeks, so I'm super excited about that. I was able to secure a pair of the Dior Birkenstock Bostons. So let's get to it. We'll open it up and we'll check it out. So it looks like it's this pull thing right here. Well, that was useless. It's got like a resealable if I don't like it and I want to return them. I don't think that's the case unless I don't know how to choose my size, but based off of the amount that I shop online, I think I'll be pretty good. So they're packaged super well. Oh wow. These are cool. The box is sick. All right, so it comes with, oh, you can tell I'm from the Midwest. So it comes with like a Dior receipt, just the, oh cool, like thank you for your purchase and everything. Then there's like a return label. And then I believe this is just probably the regular receipt. Yeah, it's just the regular receipt. That's what makes a luxury brand like another level. It's just like their attention to detail and how they show every little aspect. I'm sure the margin on these is insane. Like I'm sure these weren't that expensive to make, but it's just those little things. You're paying for like intangibles. I wish that the store experience was still as good as it used to be. Sometimes I feel like the people there are a bit more arrogant than they are like helpful, but whatever. So the box is sick. It's got the like Dior Birkenstock print on it like you would see on the bottom of the shoes. Dior logo on there, which is really cool. And then the Birkenstock logo. It's cool that they do like a true collaboration where you know that both parties were involved with it. And you get the, you know, the Birkenstock kind of look. These are actually called, they're called the Tokio. T-O-K-I-O. So they get the strap on the back, which is another thing that I had wanted because I've already got the Arizona and the Boston. I have my Bostons, but the Bostons I had custom made, so they're a bit kind of overstated sometimes, which I didn't love. And then another piece of like literature. Let's give this a look. A card with the print again. And then talks about like the history or the inspiration and everything about these, which is really cool. The paper. I love the paper of it. It's got the Dior print, and then it has the Birkenstock print, and then it's the Dior print. Oh, cool. I didn't expect dust bags. So you got white dust bags with the Dior Birkenstock logo on them, which is really cool. And then there's the shoe. I love the Cobra buckle. Just classic black suede. The upper, like this part, a lot of people are saying it's leather. To me, it's more like an EVA rubber, which makes it a little bit more durable. Definitely, I would say more of a winter kind of Birkenstock. It'd be kind of cool if they did like a lug sole on them. Maybe I'll do that when they get worn out. Love the buckle. So just an easy buckle on there. The bottoms again. Dior logo up here. Birkenstock logo down here. Dior Birkenstock. Just tag. Tells you about the materials for like import reasons. So like the materials, the upper is a leather / other materials, which probably means that this is like an EVA. The lining, so there's a sock lining inside of it, I guess. Oh, the lining like in here where the Dior logo is. is going to be where the Dior, the lining where the Dior logo is right here is a full calfskin. And then obviously the cork lining with an EVA bottom. Very, very cool. Same shoe. You're getting the, like I said, the Dior buckle. It's like a Cobra-esque buckle, very like Elite Studios. The like rivet right here that says Dior on it, Dior Birkenstocks. The big thing is the strap on the back. So the strap here is really just kind of a cool aesthetic. It's just a full calfskin, rivets on the side. I'm a bit afraid to honestly kind of pull open these. Honestly, I'm a little afraid because it feels really thin and I don't want to pull the rivet out. But if you look in the lining and the inside, if you can see it, it says like 41 limited edition. They're really cool. I'm super excited for these. I will say they feel very similar to like a very traditional Birkenstock. You know, if you're looking for like a value proposition, then don't get these. The thing that I like about these is even if they fall out of fashion, they're still Birkenstocks. Like at the end of the day, like these can be the shoes that you wear to the gym. You know, you can wear on a plane. Like they're always gonna be just comfortable, relevant shoes. Maybe I'll put some pictures up right now and just do like a little montage coming through for like 10 or 15 seconds of me wearing them. And then I will do like an in-depth review on them in the next couple weeks as well. This is my Birkenstocks unbox. Thank you for coming. You guys have a great day. Be safe and I'll see you soon.